welcome to yet another baddie business meeting. In this meeting, we will be learning what it is that we need to start a lip gloss business, or just to make lip gloss if you want to practice at home or whatever. Without further ado, let's just hop right into the meeting. Okay, so in this business baddie 101 meeting, I'm going to tell you guys all the things that you need and like the price ranges that you can find them in for to make lip gloss. So whether you want to practice or you want to make lip gloss for sale, I think you should invest in some gloves. So you can find gloves at Dollar Tree, I believe. I'm not sure. I did not get these from Dollar Tree. I got these from AliExpress. These gloves, so you can find these on AliExpress. These were like $10 plus shipping. I got these from AliExpress, and these last very long time. 100 came in here, and I think 200 came in here, or 100 came in here, and they run around $10. But you want the gloves so that, because when you're making lip gloss, everything is gonna get really messy, really sticky and everything. So, and also I want to say, well, I'll say that at the end. Okay, and so when you're making lip gloss, you're gonna need cleaning supplies. So okay, so this would be where my napkins go. So you definitely will need napkins. They have them, if you're just starting, they have them at Dollar Tree, $1. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna need napkins. You're going to need alcohol. I got 91% alcohol. This gets the job done. So you can use the alcohol with the napkins. You want to clean your space before you start making lip gloss, and you're gonna have a lot of cleaning to do after when you're done. So yeah, and then my mom bought these. I just took them and put them in my room. I prefer alcohol over these, but I'll use these and then I will still use alcohol afterwards. But these are disinfecting wipes. And you're gonna want to get you a bottle. What is this called? A bottle cleaner or whatever. You're gonna want to get these. You don't have to get these up front, but well, you should, because these will help you clean the syringes. This is really this comes in handy. Dawn dish soap, and this is gonna come in handy. So that's for the cleaning supplies. Okay, now let's get into what you will actually need in order to make lip gloss. It's real simple. Okay, first thing you're going to need Versagel. I just bought this. I haven't opened it. This was like $25 for 1.5 pounds of Versagel. This is a lot of Versagel. You can make a lot of lip gloss with this. I don't know how many tubes I would have to do the calculations, but I'm sure you can get well over 50 tubes with this. And this was only like $25, I believe. I got it from No Probllama, but also Tkb has Versagel. I will link Tkb's website, and I will link No Probllama's website in the description for you guys to go check out their products. Those are the main two places where Tkb is the main place where beginners usually start. But once you like get in the swing of things, you figure out what you like, what you don't like, then you will start finding other sources for you to buy some of your supplies from. So this, I started off with Tkb, and this is the 3 point, I think this is 3 pounds. I don't know. I think this was a 3 pound base, but I didn't use it all because I had I wanted to try this one. So I never used this all, but I probably will eventually use it. I don't know. But yeah, this is what I started off with. This was like, I want to say, I'm not really sure, $30 maybe. I'll probably put it on the screen for you guys to see the price of it. But yeah, you can start off really, like, you can start off really cheap, and you only need a few products. So you will need Versagel, and you will need oils. Whatever, this is almond oil, this is extra virgin olive oil, whatever oils of your choice. You can find this in your kitchen. I'm sure you can find whatever oil you want to use. That will be up to you to do your research to see what type of oils, what oils do what for your skin or for your lips or whatever. It's one of my main oils that I use, coconut oil, because it's a clear oil, but you will have to be careful with coconut oil because it will make your lip gloss runny. So yeah, you will need oils, and then you're going to need a syringe, of course, and a pipette. As you can see, this syringe, I use this syringe, and I have to clean it. I haven't cleaned it yet. Also, you want to make sure you have like something that you can scrub, like whatever you're using. So you want to have the baby bottle thing that I just showed you guys, and you want to have something that you can scrub, so you can scrub. So you can find that at Dollar Tree also. This, I found this on Amazon. I will link everything in the description box for you guys. I found these on Amazon. You can probably find them, well, you can find these on AliExpress as well. It'll just take a little longer to get to you. So this is a 60 milliliter syringe, and yes, I do reuse my syringes. I wash them and I reuse them. So yeah, you can find these for really cheap. And the pipettes are to put the lip gloss in the lip gloss tubes. Okay, so next thing, speaking of lip gloss tubes, you're going to want to have lip gloss tubes. These are the lip gloss tubes that I first bought when I was starting off. I bought these, and these are like, I would use these as testers probably, or like send these out as a gift. If someone order over a specific amount, then I would send these out, because these are small. You don't really have much lip gloss. You won't get much lip gloss in these, but you can find lip gloss tubes on AliExpress, which is where I got these from. If you want to buy them in bulk. But if you are just starting, which if you're attending this Baddie business meeting, you're probably just starting and you want to practice or whatever, you can find lip gloss tubes on Amazon. I'll try to link some in the description for you guys, like at a cheap price. I'm all about like, I want a lot for a little. So you can definitely find lip gloss tubes on Amazon, a smaller amount, and they will get to you fast. So yes, you're gonna need lip gloss tubes. I also want to say, okay, I'm gonna say that at the end. Okay, and oh, you can have pigments. These are all my pigments that I used. I have powder pigments, I have liquid pigments in here. But I prefer liquid pigments, and I get my pigments from Tkb. I get my liquid pigments from Tkb. I haven't found another place that sells liquid pigments, but I have found other places where I shop for other things. Once you guys get in the groove of things, in the swing of things, then you're going to figure out like certain places for certain things that you like. Like me, my lip gloss pigments, I realized that I prefer liquid lip pigments over powder, just because it's easier to me, and I always get them from Tkb. But my Versagel, I get that from Probllama. So yeah, And lastly, you will need a storage container. If you don't need it, but if you're gonna make like a big batch, then you're gonna want to have a container dedicated just to your lip gloss. Like, you don't want to go get it out the kitchen. You want to, I got this from Dollar Tree, y'all. This was only $1, and it's a really good container. It has the little top where you snap it on like that. So yeah, this is a really good container. It holds a lot, and it was only $1. So also, you're going to want to have, these are, I need to clean these, so yeah, don't mind that. But yeah, you're going to want to have spoons, mixing spoons. I started off with these, and then I graduated to these because these are silicone. These are easier to scrape around everything. Like, this will get all of your product off of the out of the container. You're going to be able to scrape really good with these. But you can get both. Like, now I have both. I started off with these because I didn't know any better about these until I did more research, and I came across a video of a young woman saying that these are good, you know. And I got both of these from Dollar Tree. I think like 100 might have come in here, 40, 100. I don't recall how many came in the pack, but it was a lot. And I do wash these and reuse these unless they crack or something, then I just throw them away. So every now and then I'll like buy more of these, but I have a lot of these because I reuse them. So and these came from Dollar Tree as well. These are only $1 and $1. So yes, to make lip gloss, all you really need, you definitely gonna want to have some gloves, like a pair of gloves. You're definitely gonna want gloves. You can get that AliExpress. I'm not sure if Dollar Tree have some. They might have some, but I don't think they will be fitted. I don't think they have the fitted gloves. But you don't need pigment. But if you want to try it out, then you can get pigment. That's not a necessity. So the main things you will need: Versagel. You will need a container. You will need gloves. You will need gloves. You will need a mixing utensil. You will need a syringe, and you will need lip gloss tubes and alcohol. Lip gloss tubes, alcohol, and napkins. So those are the things that you will need to just start making lip gloss or start to practice lip gloss. But if you're going to be selling the lip gloss, you're definitely going to need gloves. And you're definitely going to want to be as sanitary as possible. But okay, what I was going to say is something I wanted to tell you guys. If you're new, like if you want to start a lip gloss business, or you're a beginner and you're just getting into it or whatever, you want to pace yourself. You don't have to start, you should start small. Well, not you should, but you can start small. You don't have to start, you don't have to go big. Like, I started off with this. I started off with this from Tkb, and I didn't have all this stuff. I just had this, and like I had some spoons, and I had one roll of napkins, and then I upgraded to the 12-pound no Probllama. But I felt like I was ready to upgrade. I felt like I wanted to do more. Like, okay, I had got my practice out the way. Basically, I used this for practice. This, I didn't sell nothing that I made with this. None of the lip gloss that I made with this, I didn't sell. And I'm still building my business. So I want to tell you guys, you want to start off like you want to just dip your feet in the water, just practice, see how you like it. Because if you go big, and what if you don't even really want to, you know, continue to make lip gloss? What if you bought all these products and you don't even want to really do this? This is something that is not fun for you, maybe. So you want to just get a feel for it, see what you like and see what you don't like, and see what you want to change. You want to practice, take your time with it, craft it, practice, research. You want to have a recipe also. But yeah, the main thing I want to stress, is you don't have to go big as soon as you start. You can start small. So that is all for this Baddie business meeting. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You can ask me in the comments. Let me know if there's anything that you were thinking that I did not mention, or anything like that. If you would like to catch more of the Baddie's vibe, you can on Instagram at the RoyalBaddie. If you would like to listen to any of my vibes, you can on YouTube at the RoyalBaddie. And if you would like to see what goes on behind the scenes of RoyalBaddieCosmetics, you can check out our Instagram page at RoyalBaddieCosmetics. And if you would like to see any of the products that we offer, you can on RoyalBaddieCosmetics.com. All of the links are in the description box. And that is all for this meeting. Baddies, Royal family, meeting adjourned. Bye.